In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Confluence. Changing the language in Confluence can make a huge difference in how comfortable and efficient you feel working in the tool, especially if English is not your preferred language. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to update your language settings from your Atlassian account, and I'll point out a few small details to watch out for along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence workspace in your browser. Once you're on any Confluence page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar or your initials, usually in a small circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a menu where you can access all of your personal and account-related options. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Account Settings and click on it. This will open a new page or tab that takes you to your Atlassian account management area. Don't worry if the layout looks slightly different from your Confluence space. This is the central place where Atlassian lets you manage profile, security, and preference settings that apply across their products. On the account management page, you'll see several sections or tabs. Find and click on the section called Account Preferences. This is where Atlassian keeps options like time zone, region, and language. If you don't see it right away, try looking in the sidebar or near the top navigation on that page and give it a moment to load fully. After you open Account Preferences, look for the language setting. It's usually displayed as a drop-down menu showing your current language. Click on that language drop-down. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list and select the language you want. Confluence and other Atlassian products to use for menus, labels, and system messages. Once you've chosen your preferred language, the change may apply automatically, or you might see a prompt to confirm or save your new preference. If there is a save or update button, be sure to click it so your changes don't get lost. Then, return to your Confluence tab and refresh the page. You should now see the interface in the language you selected.